Ethan, I say hi to Grandma in your tub. You like your bath, huh? You like your bath. Hi, Ethan. Hi, Annie. What are you looking at? Are you getting a bath? Are you getting a bath? Say hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma. You having a bath? Oh, it's a little cold, huh? We should hurry up. Say hi, Grandma. Let's put your froggy on here so we cover things up for the video. There. Hi, Grandma. Oh, okay.